welcome to Las Vegas. As we make our way to the gate, please keep your seatbelts fastened. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, it's safe to get up. Be sure to look around your seat to make sure you have all your things, and please be careful opening compartments above, because items tend to move around inside during flight and landing and could fall out unexpectedly when the compartment is open. If your phone is within reach, feel free to make a call. And from everyone at Virgin America, thank you for flying with us today. We've enjoyed having you on board and hope the next time you're planning another trip, you'll consider flying with us again. Also, if you're continuing on with us to New York, this is your plane and we are your crew. Please stay on board and we'll board the new passengers in Las Vegas. Thank you.
What, 80 what?